Yeah, so um, both in the search bot and in the chat bot, a large part of the effort that goes into creating these bots is the curation and the modification and the structuring of all of your data. So, for example, if you have a podcast and we get transcripts of your podcast, and you have multiple people on the podcast, we have to do what's called a diarization, which means to transcribe your audio and list the different speakers that are speaking and be able to actually separate those, right? So anyway, when we use our machine learning models to transcribe your audio, it'll come out as speaker one, speaker two, speaker three. So for example, ensuring that each of those is listed properly with the correct speaker is the sort of modification that needs to happen to your data to make sure it's ready to be put into a search or a chat bot. Now, we have an automated system that can handle that, that can get it right 90% of the time. And it's getting better and better as time goes. And for most people, that is perfectly fine. That'll get you most of the way where you need to go to actually have a chat bot or a search bot that's functional and getting your audience the information that they need. But for businesses that need that like extra level of scrutiny to make sure every little detail is correct and that all of their data, that the transcription is 100% accurate, that all of the speakers are properly labeled, that everybody's names are spelled correctly, and just that really going through your data with a fine tooth comb to make sure that it's all accurate and properly reflects what was being communicated on in your content or in your knowledge base. That's what we call the white glove service, and we can do that for an additional cost. So for businesses that really need that extra attention to detail to make sure that all of the tiny little minute details are correct, then that's something we can do for you at an additional cost. But for most businesses, just having the automated process is gonna get you most of the way there, be perfectly suitable for your audience.